Welcome back to New Brand Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado pickup, a truck that's built to impress with its rugged performance, refined interior, and competitive pricing. Let's start with what makes the 2025 Colorado a powerhouse on the road and off it. Under the hood, this mid-size pickup packs a punch with a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, available in multiple output levels. The standard version delivers 237 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque, while the high-output variant pushes that to a robust 310 horsepower and an impressive 430 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Colorado offers smooth yet aggressive acceleration, whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising down the freeway. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the available ZR2 trim, designed to conquer rough trails with ease. Featuring Multimatic DSSV dampers, increased ground clearance, and aggressive all-terrain tires, this truck thrives in challenging conditions. The new Baja mode enhances performance for high-speed desert runs, while the four-wheel drive system ensures superior traction on all terrains. With a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds when properly equipped, the Colorado doesn't just perform, it dominates. Step inside, and you'll find a completely redesigned interior that elevates comfort and technology. The 2025 model introduces a driver-focused cockpit with a standard 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system loaded with Google built-in, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch, providing real-time vehicle stats with crisp graphics. Chevy has upgraded the materials for a more premium feel, offering soft-touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and contrast stitching that gives the cabin a refined look. The spacious seating ensures long drives remain comfortable, and with multiple storage compartments, the Colorado is as practical as it is stylish. Higher trims feature ventilated front seats, a wireless charging pad, and a premium Bose sound system, turning the truck into a mobile luxury lounge. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado starts at around $30,000 for the base WT trim, making it a solid entry point into the mid-size truck segment. The LT trim, which offers more tech and comfort features, comes in at approximately $35,000, while the rugged Trail Boss variant starts around $38,000. For those seeking the ultimate off-road experience, the ZR2 trim reaches the $50,000 mark, offering unmatched capability in its class. With its powerful performance, high-tech interior, and competitive pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado stands out as a top contender in the mid-size pickup segment. Whether you're looking for a daily driver, a weekend warrior, or an off-road beast, this truck delivers on all fronts. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado. Would you take this truck for a spin? Thanks for watching New Car Update. We'll see you in the next video.